We're here at Two Seasons Hotel. This is our family suite. Hi! With a veranda. With an H. Wait, Nikita yung veranda. Ayan. Okay.
Priority.
So there's 8 of us and we're all gonna fit in this one room. There's a king size bed here. Hello. And then 2 queen size beds here. So that's already good for 6 people. And then there's a private room. Hi, Ria. Private room here.
Hey.
With another queen size bed. Wow. Okay. My only issue here actually is there's only one banyo, no? There's only one for 8 people. So, okay. Hello. So there's 2 sinks and a huge shower. Guys, kaya naman pala isa lang. Napakalaki ng shower. Kasya tayo lahat dito. Okay, so initial impressions. The toilet is lacking. There's only one shower. So that's gonna be hard. At least there's 2 sinks. But still, right? There's no bathtub. There's actually enough room in here to put in a bathtub. So I don't know why they didn't do that. But the beds are nice. The room is spacious. So yeah. Oh. So yeah, I think the banyo situation is the only major problem. So we've been here at the Two Seasons now for a few days, and first of all, the room is nice. The beds are perfect. There's nothing that I could say about that, but I'm here to review and I'm gonna tell you about the things that we didn't like. First of all, there's no Wi-Fi. Okay, that's one big issue. Second, in the morning and like late afternoon, I guess when all the guests are in the shower or whatever, the water pressure isn't that great, and like the toilet would hardly flush. Yeah. Oh, okay. Another thing, they don't have a gym here. I know this is like a beach resort, so like you can always run outside or swim or whatever. But yeah, honestly, like if you're paying a good price, you know, for your hotel, should at least have a gym. And there's actually pretty much nothing else in terms of facilities here. There's a restaurant, the room, sure. The pool isn't that great. It's so small. It's really small, and like there's not enough room around it. Like you can't really hang out by the pool because there's like 4 beds and that's it. What else? There's also no free bottles of mineral water, or you know, I mean, they do send us pictures of purified water, but foreigners usually come here, have issues with water. It's better to have bottled water. So in terms of entertainment, the TV, we have 2 TVs here. That's good. And they have English channel. And they also have speakers, like phone docks here. So you could put on your own music. You don't need to bring your own speakers and stuff like that. So entertainment wise inside the room, that's good, but outside of the room there's really nothing much. So here's the pool area at the Two Seasons. So you can see it's really small, just 4 beds. Yeah, so other than that, when it comes to facilities, there really isn't that much more in this hotel. So once again, it's sunset, and as you can see, everybody's out. That's Boracay for you. Everybody goes out once the sun is out. That's the kind of island destination this is.